Did you hear about Starliner? Yes, the one that's stuck in space. Well, the two astronauts, Sonny Williams and Butch Wilmore, were supposed to come back to Earth via the Starliner 2 entire months ago. So NASA stated in a press conference that they will be there until February of 2025. But let me explain what the problem is with the Starliner. The problem is the helium tanks in the propulsion system just won't stop leaking. Helium will try to get out of a confined space in any way that it can. So NASA will prioritize the safety of the astronauts, and they will return on a SpaceX Crew Dragon.